Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep. We have a nice little rally moving on in the oil sector. We've been talking about that in the group. LPI, Gush, been watching them. We are also watching the latest moves in AMC, GME, the meme stocks, and then we want to talk about the groups and the trading groups that you're a part of. When you're jumping into these Facebook Messenger or Facebook groups, Facebook Discords, then you basically want to be careful because you have a lot of spam, a lot of telemarketers, basically, that I call them the digital telemarketers now when it comes to trading. It's insane. You know, these telemarketers are from these places called Telegram. You'll see them post on every single comment being like, hey, come join our group. I learned from John Ballsack that he made $10 million. My life changed because of this. Well, you know, I believe that that's bullshit. And, you know, we don't tell you our lives are changing. We don't tell you that we're making millions of dollars. We don't tell you any of that bullcrap. Because what we do here is just talk about stocks and trade ideas. And basically, it's just a community of people getting together to learn together. It's nothing, no miracle sauce here. We're not selling any snake oil. It's literally just, do you know about options? No. Do you want to learn about them? Okay, come join our group and you can learn about them with us. That's what we do. We're not promoting ourselves the way that they are. But let's get off that topic. Let's get into the charts today and see what we have on the radar. Like to pull up some of our stuff here. If you guys want to look at these here from Nick Shaheen, if you want to join in and learn from his trade ideas, you can also do that. And I'll drop that link in the description as well for you guys, if I can get this stuff to work here. All right. So, recent closed trades, you've got the, keep in mind, we're not here to give you investment advice. We're strictly here giving you our trade opinions, thoughts, ideas, things of that nature. We had the, if you see here, you have the Verizon December 18, 2020 put, 120 strike, short position, quantity 10, entry 220, P&L 2200, 100% profit, entry date 227 2020, exit date 12/19 2020. Why are we on Bing? What is Bing doing here? Use Bing to find Google. I like to use Trading View for my charts. Need to get Blakey on here to help me out because somehow I logged out of, I think, my Microsoft account or something, and now like all my stuff, everything I just normally pop right in and join in, it's gone. Apple breaking the 130. Pulling up AMC here. Not sure what's going on with that. And I'm going to actually go live on the Facebook as well because I don't see any. I guess the multi-stream didn't work. So yeah, we're talking. I got the stream running on Facebook Live. If you can't get exactly what you need out of your stream, or if you're learning to do this stuff fresh, you got to think outside the box. So what I did is we're streaming live here for you guys at the Discord, and we're streaming live here for the YouTubers, and we're just going live for everybody. Let's do it. Let's get excited. Let's make something happen today. Let's talk about options. Let's talk about how to grow and create some wealth using options. What would you guys do here? AMC, did you hold overnight? Are you a hodler? Because if you did, you're down this time. You're not up. You're not waking up to great gains on AMC. You are... What we got here? Trippy Sticks said, short the GC. Gold. Just popped in the alerts. TradingView wants to allow me to do things. Man, look at that chart. It is a beauty. Man, if you were in that low 40s range, you were out there singing that Jack Harlow song, What's Poppin'? Brand new stock just hopped in. You got options. Sell them options. All right, so here's your consolidation pre-market: 57.05, 58.94. Looking to break out of this and break out to all new highs today. But you might see some consolidation, like we mentioned, throughout this week, and then have your run up on Friday. So if that's what you're thinking, be careful, because next week is what we're going to be planning. So today, you look for down stocks, in my opinion. You look for stuff that's getting beat up, and you go long about 6 months out, and you pick the ones that are going against the market now. On the downside, when the market was going up, you find the ones that are going down, and you keep on moving in the direction with the trend. So if they're going up, you follow that one. If they're going down, you follow that one down. And then when they break that structure and they start moving the opposite direction, exit your trade. How do we do that? What do we mean by that? Well, if I'm trading AMC and I get in right here at 56.92, I don't see a good entry here because your previous lows are down here. So you have a lot of risk getting into this trade at that point. Now, if I go here and I say, you know what, I want to get into this trade now, and I would like to go long, then I would like to go long somewhere in this area with my risk stop out right below this previous low here. And now you have an upside target of $4.99. You have a downside target of $2.28. This is my break is structured. This is where I get out of the trade. And those of you who can't see that, I have the recording here, and I will clip it and record or send the recording to the Discord Facebook group. That way you guys can see those as well. So here's what we're looking at, guys. So you have an entry right above this 50. So I see a red candle down. It gives me my stop out position somewhere in this area. I'm using these previous lows here. And then as we go up, you'll see this. Look, so red candle down, green candle gives us 50% retracement, opens up green. So I want to get in right in this area and have this target up here. It would have completely hit my target, and we would have been up $1,649. So, hi, honey. What are you doing? You want to come over here and sit on my lap and say hi? Don't touch that. That's a crossbow. People don't try this at home. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Oh. I shouldn't put that there. Well, you shouldn't be in my office. Where's your mother? She's in her room?
Yeah. No. Jess, come on.
15 minutes a day. We're live.
Dad said I can't stay in here.
That one. All right, so there's your move. You see it on the chart. You see the play. Let's pull up something different. What else do you guys want to see? Drop it in the chat. Go over to the YouTube, Elite Trading. If you're on Facebook, jump over to the YouTube channel, Elite Trading, and you can see the charts as well if you're not able to see them in there, because I know you can't see them in there. But I bet I can do it this way, and then possibly, you guys will be able to see. I thought I could change it to dark mode in here, but I cannot. That's weird. Oh, it's because I'm not logged into the actual account thing. So, whatever. Let's pull up a different stock. What do we want to see? What do we want to trade? Anybody in the comments? We getting any love down there? No comments? No nothing? No love. How about DAL?
Yes. Down.
Arden, what does red mean?
Down.
What does green mean?
Up.
Green means up, red means down. Train them young, guys. She's 2 or 3. She'll be 4 this year.
There.
All right, Delta Airlines. Make comments full screen. What's that? J&J, oil and gas. All right, oil and gas. Let's pull up Gush, Gush.
Okay, do that.
All right, I got this.
Okay, you want that.
All right, dude. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're my best buddy.
I am your best buddy.
Yeah. Did we go to Kings Island and ride the rides?
Yeah.
Is that fun stuff?
With my mom and my sister and you and me. And Grayson. Of that big guy.
All right, here's a trade on Gush. So you can go in right here, your open risk, you would want to be in around 94-ish. And then your stop out would be about $1 down to the downside. You had a 428 upside target. You hit that, you made your money at the 98 mark. That's where you get out. And then now you're looking for another push. So look, let's see if you're wanting to get in Gush now. Let's say you got in right now. Your risk is about
Daddy,
$4 to the downside. So I don't see.
Daddy.
Yes.
I can see you.
I know. Back up, honey. I can see the trade here as being not the best trade in my opinion right now for Gush. LPI. Man, these things are choppy. The algos are hitting these bad boys. All right, so this one's not so bad. You have a 1.31 downside, 3.29 upside on LPI. Entry around 65. Your hair's a little messy from just waking up.
Yeah, because look, I see in my pencil book.
Mm-hmm.
It's from my sister.
J&J. They said J&J. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson's. Trend is down on Johnson & Johnson. We have a trend being down on J&J. And we'll show you that trend here.
Dad, I found something so Ariel won't fall on my toe, Dad. I found this thing
So now you're looking forward to possibly reach up here, break through this trend, and get out of there. But it's going to most likely come down here, consolidate, retest here, and then come down and try to take out this low here. Since we have a 50% retracement, though, we're in a consolidation stage. So I would look for the trade for my risk tolerance would be right here, 0.66 with a $2 upside. Jumping in around 164.55 would be in that area of where that trade would start to initiate. Now, if you really want to get down and dirty, you get in right here, wait for it to get a little lower, but then you've got this huge downside of $2. I don't like it. And then you have an upside if you're going for this long trade, 343. So there's your profit and loss ratio. Honey, I'm really busy right now. Can you stop?
What is this thing?
It's my tools. Come on. All right, SPCE, they're talking. Nick Davis in the house, thank you. Adrian, welcome. Good morning, everyone, and appreciate you guys coming in. Smash that like, elbow drop, kick it, punch it, share it. Come on, do that stuff for us. We've got the space trade. Well, folks, you know, we want to tell you that you didn't miss out on the boat. But if you were in the group, you pay for the alerts, you get the options trading, you hear the stuff. We told you about space at $10. $10, guys. Space was alerted to you at $10. And then we told you that we got out of it in the 20s. And then they come back down to 16s. And we got in at the 16s. And then now, where's it at now? 34. Come on. 16 to 34. So now, you got to be careful getting into this one. I mean, you're doing it all wrong if you're wanting to get in when things are rallying. You want to get in on the consolidation point. We're in a small consolidation area range, and you've got $1 to the downside here, and you have an upside of $3.73 for my target. So 38.66 is your target that you need to get up and get over on Virgin Galactic SPCE, or you're going to be seeing some downside to 30s, 33, 32, down to that area. So that's what we got there. Give me a comment below. Do you like the way we do the trading pre-market prep? Do you want more of it? If you want the charts, jump into the YouTube and let me know if it's been choppy or if it's better streamed today. We used to have, flawless, perfect streams for over a year, like 300 episodes. And then I moved, get the new place, and I got choppy stream, skipping, latency issues, and I upgraded internet here, so I don't get it. I hope that it's better now. I can't stand doing it on my cell phone, so I like to do it with you guys on here where you get the live charts, you get to see stuff. But yeah. Make sure you subscribe. Go to the Elite Trading on YouTube and subscribe, guys. Help us out. Pay some money, join in the group, and support the team with some monetary support. I mean, that always helps us out. We like to give you more information. I'd like to be able to hire some more people to come take care of this stuff for you when I'm not around. I want there to be more traders like Nick Shaheen, like Triple D Trader, like Benzinga's coming in here. I want these guys to come in and help you guys learn as well. I dropped the link on my personal Facebook, not the social stuff, not the sell stuff, but drop the link on there for you to create income for trading options on the Jesse Kaler, my name, Jesse Kaler, personal Facebook. So, like to keep it real, you know. What else we got? Anybody else here with me? Am I all alone? Not a plug for Monster, but I'm thirsty and I'm really tired today. Stayed up too late drinking and watching movies with my wife, to be honest. To kind of see it in the eyes. Anybody ever look like this when you're hitting your mid-30s? I am. 34, baby. 34 years young. Let's see what's in the news. Actually, let's drop this link for you guys here. Oops. What did I do? It wasn't me. It's my first day. I'm brand new. That's gonna be a link. I'll just do it after we're done. I can't feel my If you don't know what that is the pitchfork indicator. You want to put the first dot at the previous big time low, and then the current low, and then the previous high is how I use it. and then now you'd want it to find support here and keep coming up into this green channel here for SPCE. If it breaks out of this lower channel, then you've got some downside about to rock and roll. And the way I would do that is I would invert this. It's called the SCHIFF. 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 SCHIFF pitchfork indicator. Look at that stuff, man. You guys are probably like, what is this? What is going on? What is he doing? Where did we go? So look at that. So we have a target. This is beautiful. 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 I love it. I love it. Ooh, that was ugly. Let's get rid of you. You go. You go. Bye-bye. Why? Tell me why. All right, here we go. So here's your gap right here to be filled to the downside. So you have all this risk to the downside. Get rid of this big old thing. Get rid of the Forky. All you Toy Story fans, Forky. Come on. Alright, so there's your void. TRCH Roblox, TRCH run over. Is the TRCH run over? Well, I was trading TRCH back when it was $1, and I sold for a small profit and wish I was holding still. But I bought more yesterday, right around this mark, right around that. I put in an order to buy more at 507, 5-ish, around 5. And I bought the first 100 at 560, like 569. So it should be right, yeah, right where it's sitting right now, to be honest. And the reason I found that is I basically took, here's your high, here's your low of 430 and 613. I take that middle number, what's 613 minus 440? I'm not a mathematician. So I'll do the math. 6.14 minus 4.30. So $1.84 difference. So you take your median between there. I call it $2. $5 is your median. So you got 4 to 6. $5 is the median. I want to get in right in the middle on a 50% retracement, like a Fibonacci retracement, back to that 50%. Maybe get into 30%, or if it gets a 70% retracement. So I want to get in a little bit more at the bottom, and then I'll get even more if it gets 100% retracement back. And then I'm filtering myself in on positioning myself in on a tier level, like a ladder system. That way I lower my average cost, and I'm not going, if I want to buy 1,000 shares, I'm not going to buy 1,000 right away. I'm going to buy 100, 200, 50, 100. I'm buying them in lots at different prices. That way I can get a different cost basis based off of where the price is moving. But I'm a big fan of, here's your bottom, here's your top, get in at 50%. And you're getting at 30, get in 100, stop loss right underneath there. You know. But is the run over? I don't know. If I could call that, if I knew what Torch was going to do, then I would be a billionaire. So I can't predict what they're going to do, but I can tell you what I see here. What I see is a parabolic move to the upside. I don't see anything holding it up there other than, some news. So $5 might be your level of support. Watch for support at 5. If it breaks through there, remember you have this whole gap to fill down to $4 even. So be careful trading those. It's in a range from 507 to 574 in the pre-market. And here's your gap right here. So it's going to come back to try to figure out where that's at or what it's going to do with this. So it might come back to right around here in this area and give you a 50% retracement back down to here around the 4s and then come back up and try to test 5. We'll see. I'm not really positive on that one. Roblox. I like RBLX. It got hit. It was a sector leader yesterday. It was beating like ATVIs and all those other gaming stocks. But then it got a 1% less retention from April to May. So they hit the stock on that report. They hit Roblox on that one. And I'm a buyer of Roblox if it gets back down into the 70s, 80 range, 75, 80. I like it a lot there. 81's my target. I'd like to get in at 81. But, right here is a good entry in my opinion. So if you get in here and you say, okay, I want to get in right here, tight risk reward. So you got a 93-cent stop and you have an $8 target to the upside. I'd actually go a little less than that, $6 to the upside. So 93 target, $10 move from the current position, and your downside 82. So the safe point more like right here with your stop just below the previous move there. So right here you got a $2.80 stop, and then you have this whole gap here if it just gaps down. So you've got a big gap to fill there, and I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I can't guess everything, but I can tell you what I think. Stay in the green, stay blessed, my friends. You got 3 minutes till the market opens. Get in there, get trading, get that link in the description. Follow us, learn, create some income, trading options. See you guys. That one's done. So yeah, we're talking. I got the stream running. This is me watching my stream on the stream.